our Fin and Fin mobile fans offer the perfect solution for hot summer days. Curious to see what's inside the box? Here we go. Once you have unpacked everything, all you need is a screwdriver. Then you can start assembling Fin or Fin mobile. First, remove the securing nut for grill, and the knob for fixing the fan blade from the motor housing. Place the protection grill rear onto the motor housing. Now screw securing nut for grill back onto the motor housing. Attach the fan blade to the motor housing, and fix it in position with the fastening knob. Tighten the knob to secure the fan blade. Place the protection grill front onto the protection grill rear, and turn the grills clockwise, until they snap into place. The grills are installed correctly, when the holes for the security screw are at the bottom, and match. Secure the two protection grills with the securing screw. Now first insert the connecting pole onto the foot, until you hear it snap into place, and finally place the assembled fan head onto the top of the connecting pole. By leaving out the connecting pole, the device can also be used as a floor or table fan. With all Stadler Form products, you benefit from comprehensive support and service, with the security of a 24-month warranty. Our support team is always on hand to make sure you get the best out of your device. And should your flatmate give you any cause for concern, our team will take care of it, quickly and competently.